we at the end are, see, I am telling you guys to leave social media because I know what are the reasons of it. Okay, now the main thing is that we are conveying the messages. Now what we do, okay, we also create ads which will require for people to spend some money on it. The best example I'll give you, like what Big Bazaar does. Okay, Big Bazaar, they know that they will, if you, there are many offers, like they will give you that purchase this thing and we will give you 1,000 rupees in return. But they won't pay you, they won't give you, they won't just credit you 1,000 rupees at a time. What they will do is they will give you 100 rupees credit every time in between. So you will go over there. You won't just shop for 100 rupees now. You will shop for like 800, 900 rupees. So that's what we do. What we do is that we will create advertisement which you might not want that thing. You might there are many chances that that's not the most essential thing which you want at this time. But you will see and you will buy. That's how everything works. Okay. So like that advertisement. It's not like if you won't eat an Cadbury, then you won't survive. But you will eventually go and go, you are eventually going to go and have that one. So that's the main disadvantage of it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Ishika, please ask.
Yes, I was just asking that does digital marketing easier for the person who knows graphic designing? Because I guess in digital marketing, like in social media, the main thing is you just need to know trending hashtag and tags and caption should be useful for you. So does it easier for graphic designer to?
See, designing is helpful, definitely helpful, but it's not the only thing that will help this marketing. Okay. Now I'll tell you that you are telling about hashtags. So the at when Instagram was started, at that time these hashtags were really useful. But if you see right now, you can, there is a limit of, I guess, 30. Okay, 30 is the highest limit. So if the best, just create one account. Okay, today you do this and you will see what I am telling you. Create an account, just post a picture, anything. Okay, like a game or a board of, like a chess board or a laptop or anything, and just in caption, give the best caption which you can give, and like 30 hashtags to it. I'll give you, like, you won't get more than 10 or 15 likes. That's not how digital marketing will work. Okay, digital marketing means it comes basically on advertisements and everything. There are many things in digital marketing such as SEM, search engine marketing. That means that if you see something on Google, okay, if you type like, okay, if you type Mintra clothes, then you will see, also you will see an ad of Amazon, or you will see an ad of Flipkart, and there will be an ad written at the left of it. That is search engine marketing. The other thing in digital marketing is SEO, search engine optimization. That means that if I write the best clothes to buy near me, okay, then will I get this brand factory on the top, or will I get the Jet Blue on the top? If I get this brand factory on the top, then I will definitely see. Maximum people don't even, maximum means 99% people don't even go to the second page of the Google. Okay, and like 60 to 70 people always clicks on the top three links which you will see at the top. So SEO is something which will help your company or your website to organically rank at the top. Like, just an example, you are owning a brand, such as this consulting brand. Okay, you are owner of a consulting brand. So now if I type in Google that best consultants near me, so if I see any other company from Mumbai on the top, okay, then I will eventually go and hire them. But if your SEO is better, then your link will become on the your link will come on top, that okay, Ishika is a consultant which is near you, and you can hire her. So the best thing is that's SEO. Then there are like many other things in digital marketing. It's not just graphic designing. Graphic designing is definitely a part of it, because the more better your design is, the more better someone will come to it. Okay, someone will get attracted to your design, and someone will eventually be a conversion or eventually be a lead. Conversion means that person will eventually buy something from your website or anything related to it. It means that person will fill out a form who wants a service. And digital marketing is really important, because really important and also really very difficult if you are owning an agency, because when you are giving a service to your client, it's not a product. In cosmetic brand or any other brand, you can just give them product and you can tell them, okay, that you can use it and you will get the results. It's not like this over here, because your clients won't be getting something which is your clients won't be getting a physical product. All they are getting is a service. Now you have to convert more people who like, just an example I'll give you an example like of Happy Flowers. Okay, does anyone know Happy Flowers? It's a cosmetic brand which is over here in Gandhidham only. Now the thing was, just few days back, it was my birthday on 20th. Okay, but the main thing was that I didn't had even 1 minute to just say thank you to the people between like 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. It was not possible for me to even see who has wished me. Why? Because on next day, on 21st, this brand had an exhibition at Marriott in Ahmedabad, and they really wanted all of the things to be done just a day before it. So it was not possible. It was not possible to complete everything if I would just ignore them and like, okay, it's my birthday and I want work. If I would have done that, then it won't be possible for them to complete their products and sell their products on 21st. I literally attended like more than 90 calls in this matter of 5 hours. So just this service industry is something that you are just giving service to someone. They might get satisfied by it, they might not get satisfied by it, because they are not getting something physical to hold. Okay. Any other question? Yeah, I see this. What's the name? Nandana. Yeah, please ask.
Yeah, I wanted to ask that did you ever have a negative phase in your life that you won't be able to do it, you were demotivated? If yes, how did you overcome it?
Yeah, negative phase, like, okay, the negative phase. See, negative phase is something which everyone will face. Okay, the best thing about negative phase, I'll tell you guys that if someone there are 24 hours in a day. Okay, if that particular 1 hour is, so if a 1 hour is there which you are not happy, just an example, your friend told you something, or you had a fight with any of your friend or your closest friend or or your siblings. Okay, you had a fight with them, then that's just a 1 hour. Okay, that's not the whole day. You have to eventually forget it. Okay, so the 1 hour is something. Why should we look at that hour only? There are 23 hours as well where you can do better. So negative phase everyone will face, but the best thing to recover from it is that don't just think about it. Replace it by something else. Replace it by doing something better. Your mind should be captured on something. If your mind is captured doing something which you like or which you love, then you will eventually forget that thing. It's not possible it's literally impossible to forget anything. Okay, our mind cannot forget anything. That it's not like this shift delete, how this shift delete works on laptop, that okay, I don't want this memory, I'll just shift delete it. It won't work like that. Eventually you will forget it, but in short time, if you want to forget it, then you have to replace it by something. Any other questions?
Vishwa, I think even Nandana wanted to know if you ever wanted to skip this digital marketing. You have had a downfall, or you wanted to move out of digital marketing. Have you ever faced this?
No, actually, a few time back, my interests. In 10th, I was like, I wanted this I wanted to build websites and all. Okay, at that time, I wanted to build all that. But in 11th, I started seeing this more and more ads, and I started seeing all of these companies, best companies, such as Ogilvy and all of that companies. So it was I was really inspired by how they how they created this advertisements and all. So I eventually went for it. I also gave this CAT exam because I wanted to go in IIM. And do marketing only over there. It's not like I wanted to go over there for finance or this consultancy. I wanted to go over there for marketing only, but I got only 84 percentile, and it's not possible that no IIM will give you an admission in 84 percentile in CAT. Okay, if you are looking for the top best IIMs, then you have to get like minimum 92 to 95 is that you should get. Below that, then you will be going in like tier 2 tier 3 colleges. And trust me guys, a Uber driver will earn more than a tier 2 tier 3 MBA graduate. Trust me, it's a fact. You will pay like 16 to 15 lakhs rupees for MBA, and when you come out of it, then you will be getting like 3 lakh or 4 lakh rupees per year. And also like 30% tax will also get deducted.
Sorry, Vishwa, to interrupt. I think one of the students, I'll just take 1 minute. Students will continue. Vishwa, in case you have time, you can, because the next class has started. We are dependent. In case you have time, then we'll continue with you.
Yeah, sure. I don't have any issue. If students really want, then we can again schedule a class next Saturday.
So we can continue for another 5-10 minutes at least. And students, please don't leave the session. I have had a word with Kartika ma'am. You can be in this session as well. And Vishwa, there is a request from a student. If you can speak a little in Hindi, maybe in between.
Okay. Okay. So, am I audible perfectly?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. Yeah.
I had a question actually.
Yeah.
So in digital marketing, we can see a lot these days that influencer marketing is very engaging more and more. So have you ever considered asking a blogger or an influencer to promote a particular product? Because we can see that the whole industry, like influencer marketing, the whole industry is like very engaging now, and brands are going to influencers more because they have a wide audience that we can target.
Yes, absolutely. See, influencer marketing is the best thing. Now, the best example for it is that we kept Harbhajan Singh, this Manyavar kept Alia Bhatt. Okay, it basically depends on what the company has the budget. This Harbhajan Singh, Alia Bhatt won't accept any advertisement below rupees 1 crore. Okay, she really just rejects that okay, I won't do it below that. So I cannot reveal what we paid Mr. Harbhajan Singh for that. I cannot reveal that because we have to keep that confidential. But we did ask Miss Aishwarya Rai about it. Okay, and Miss Aishwarya Rai also said that I will take minimum 95 lakh rupees for one post on Instagram. Okay, so it is really helpful, and it will definitely be helpful. So so that's why everyone cannot, every brand or every company cannot afford people like Aishwarya Rai or Amitabh Bachchan or Alia Bhatt. Okay, everyone cannot afford that. That's why there are influencers with less following, who might have a blue tick, who might not have a blue tick. So like 55,000, 70,000 or even 1 lakh followers. Okay. But the main thing when you are keeping an influencer is that you have to look everything and you have not only one time, you have to look for like consecutive days that is that person really getting likes. Because in Instagram, you see there are many fake followers. Many people are promoting this fake followers and fake likes and all, which eventually will go out because Facebook and Instagram, they are looking to link Aadhaar cards and all to IDs. If that happens, then think that this all fake profiles will eventually rule out. It will be really a better place at that time. But if see now that's not happening right now. So if you in person you want to hire someone as an influencer, then you have to look everything every post of it, see that there are likes. If you see there are likes, then see there are same likes, because it's not possible that every time every post gets like same likes. There are people who hire few people who give likes like 1,000 likes. Okay, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 1000 likes, all that is like literally useless. And the best thing is that Instagram shows the post at the top which has more saves and shares. Likes and comments have no value at this moment. The more the Instagram's how algorithm works is that the post which will show on the top will have more shares and more likes. If your post has more not likes, sorry, more shares and more saves. If some, of course it's not possible to ask like 1000, you will get 100 rupees in 100 or 200 rupees, like 1000 likes, but you won't get that shares and saves, because that 1000 likes are automated or just automated bots. They are not actually people who are doing it. So no one would, it's not possible for them to share that to someone or save that post. So that's why Instagram knows that, this Mark Zuckerberg knows that thing, and that's why they created this type of algorithm. After they saw that there are people are doing this, that's why share and saves get more organically high reach as compared to the post which has more likes and more comments.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely. And with
Aksha, one second,
yes,
Aksha. Vishwa, I'm sorry, because the students have a option period. This is like maths and IPPE. The students have to go for it. I don't want any of the students even to miss that. We can have Vishwa for
absolutely.
next Saturday, and you can all be ready with your more questions. I think the students have just opened up with you. So in the beginning, there were only 1 or 2 questions. Now there are more and more students who want to ask you questions. And we would even like to see the advertisements which have been created by you. You can share your screen with us and you can just show it to the students. So probably next Saturday we can have that, Vishwa, in case.
Yeah, sure, no issues, ma'am.
And I will not take your time on the weekdays because I know a businessman is always busy on the.
Yeah, no, ma'am, that's absolutely all right, ma'am.
So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday I'll not take. So probably Saturday I'll ask from you again.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you, Vishwa, so much, because I have taken only one period, 8 to 9:30. I never knew that it is going to be such informative that we can go on till 1:30, I think. So next Saturday, Vishwa.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, and ma'am, it was really it was really. I also like this session that everyone were asking, and it was. I hope that everyone got the perfect answers of the questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
definitely.
So thank you, Vishwa, so much. Thank you. You can join your classes, students, and please say your thank you to Vishwa. Even your senior, but then God bless you, Vishwa, and wish you a very bright future ahead, and wish you all the best for all your future endeavors. You're great, and it was really informative. Even for me, I took up notes with you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
everyone.
Thank you
Have
so
a nice
much.
day, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Thank you.
Have a nice day, guys. Bye.
You can also leave, Vishwa. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.